We've heard how important Moonee Ponds Creek is to you, and we want to revitalise it in a way that delivers the best outcomes for your community. We asked your community to discover how you want to see Moonee Ponds Creek transformed. Currently, the project site is a creek contained within a concrete channel. The channel has limited natural assets remaining and is flanked by paths that are busy with bike commuters and local pedestrians. Your community asked for a return to a more natural, living waterway. A natural rocked waterway and revegetation works within the channel will be the main focus of the project, providing a better experience for the community visiting the creek. Some concrete from the channel will be removed. Rocks will be installed along the creek for a more natural appearance and to ensure waterway stability. We have developed 3 concept designs for the waterway based on what you told us and the best use of the available funding. Option A delivers the longest length of naturalised waterway. Option B has a large pond at Lebanon Reserve. And Option C has a large pond at Oak Park Reserve. There will also be extensive plantings of Indigenous species for revegetation, including trees to provide further waterway stability, shade, urban cooling and natural habitat. You told us you wanted peaceful and positive spaces for your community. Spaces will be created where you will be able to stop and enjoy the creek. At these points, the banks of the creek are widened to provide stretches of open water, giving visual and physical access to the creek. You told us you wanted a change to the paths shared by cyclists and pedestrians to improve path safety and reduce user conflicts. Where space allowed, we separated them, providing slower, safer walking paths for locals enjoying the waterway and separate bike paths for cyclists. These are 3 designs for this section of Moonee Ponds Creek. Help us choose what a greener, more natural Moonee Ponds Creek will look like. Have your say and help choose the best outcome for your community.